Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a butterfly series with Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So here I'm showing you the X Jelly Gel Hema Free 15 milliliter collection with Born Pretty. And this is the 30% transparent ice jelly number 10. Now there are 37 colors in this collection, and they are LED and UV lamp compatible. Soak off gel, 85.5% saturation, 95.8% glossiness, 75.5% viscosity, 85.5% leveling, and 28 days long lasting. I am and will be putting down only one coat of these X Jelly gels for you guys today so that you can see how much transparency versus color each bottle has. And you can always double, triple, quadruple, however many layers you want. When you use these gels, I'm just going to be showing you one coat. So again, these are Hema free. It's created with Hema sensitive customers in mind. And it's also 10 toxin free. No toluene, parabens, camphor, dibutyl phthalate, formaldehyde resin, ethyl tocylamide, formaldehyde, Hema, xylene, or triphenyl phosphate in this formula. It's animal cruelty free and vegan friendly, low odor, natural resin, and safe for skin. However, always avoid from any of these gels touching your skin because you never know how sensitive you can be and you may end up with an allergy or other issues. I am an affiliate with Born Pretty, so if there are any products today that you would like to check out, go ahead into the description box below. I will leave my affiliate link along with my 10% discount code that you can use. Both will definitely help me out as well as yourself, and I greatly appreciate your support. So here I'm using the 30% transparency ice jelly 06. And this is a nice, pretty royal blue. And again, I'm going to be applying just one coat of this onto the nail. It did come out a little light, too light actually, when I was applying it. But then as I cured it, it didn't look that bad, but I guess here you can see if you like the swatch, or it gives you at least an idea of how this applies on. And I feel like maybe this pigment does come on a little differently than the rest. From another brand, I do have a similar color blue that's transparent. And it does come on different than what it looks like in the bottle. This is looking like glass right now. I'm really loving the look. As you may or may not know, I do love jellies. I don't do them as much as I should, but I am loving how this is going. I hope that the rest of the gel colors look just as good. So here I have Semi Jelly 10 or 10. And this is the green color. It's looking like a jade color. So I'm really excited about this one. I love my greens, and I hope this goes on just as great as the other two. And again, one coat. And I'm just loving the little hint of jade. This definitely is like the blue one where I feel like the one coat is lighter in color than it is in the bottle, but I can still see that green shine through, and that jelly look definitely makes it look so perfect. So the semi jelly is has a little more opacity than the ice jellies. And I guess it's in the name. Ice is more clear. Semi jelly is seemingly like about half. But anyway, I have another semi jelly. This is semi jelly 06. And this is a nice rose color, I feel. And this would go great on just your bare nail. So again, we're going to do one coat on this nail. And with the semi-jellies, like I said, it's about half opacity. And you can definitely see that in this swatch right now because it is somewhat jelly and clear, but it does have that kind of smoky murkiness to it, so it's still looking really nice. Last but not least, I have my glitter jelly 08, and I wanted to check out their glitter jellies. Here I've got this really vibrant yellow looking one. Again, we're going to do one coat. So after I lay these all out, I am going to be doing design. Because I'm only showing Born Pretty products today, there's going to be a good chunk of it that you're not going to see on film. And that's because I had used other brand name products to complete this design. But so far, all of this is Born Pretty, which you can find on their website. Again, I'm leaving my affiliated link in the description box below. You can go check that out. It'll definitely help me out. And also use my 10% discount code to help yourself out as well. So this is my most favorite Born Pretty iridescent chrome powder, and I am running thin on this. I've been using this very sparingly, just because I don't know, I could get another pot, but I haven't yet, so I'm still just waiting to finish this up. But I actually had coated each nail with a no wipe top coat, and that's going to enable me to use these chrome powders, rub this on there, varnish it on there, and it's going to stick. In a sense, it's not sticky, but it's going to stick to the nail. And it's giving this really nice iridescent sheen on top of the jelly color. So I kind of had an idea of what I was going to do, but evolved into something completely different. Especially after I had applied this chrome powder. So what you're going to see today, you guys, I think is going to be so super cute. So super ultra cute for this set that I'm going to wear. And I hope you guys like it. So this is after I've completed design. I am going to use Born Pretty top coat right now, and I'm going to apply it to each one of these nails. You guys, this design, I couldn't tell you how long it took because I did not film it. Again, it's because I used different brand products that I didn't want to have to show you guys because this is all about Born Pretty. But I did turn these nails into butterfly wings, and I am loving this look. Again, I am such a fan of the jelly look itself, but these gels, again, they're new. So here is the X Jelly Gel Hema Free 15 milliliter collection. I'm loving this look. Again, I did most of the design off film because I use different brand products. but I am loving the iridescent chrome powder. It's definitely peeking out through these little window shapes that I made to make it look like a butterfly wing. It's so beautiful. Take your pick. We had that yellow one. This is the pink one, or the rose colored one. Again, I'll be leaving all this information in the description box below if you want to go check that out. Here's the green one. I am going to be wearing this too, you guys, so stick around a little longer and I'm going to be showing you what this looks like on my nails. This beautiful royal blue one. And then last but not least, we have this purple one. I love the color, which is probably why I put it on the largest nail. And remember, you guys, I am an affiliate with Born Pretty, so I'll be leaving my affiliate link in the description box below, along with my 10% discount code, IsmsbyJBM. Use both of those and it'll definitely help me out, and I appreciate your support. So here's what the nails are looking like on my hand. Look how pretty that is, you guys. I am in love with this set. I had no idea this was going to happen with their X Jelly Hema free 15 milliliter collection. And again, there's 37 colors and I only used 5. So you can only imagine what the other colors look like. Again, go check them out in my affiliate link in the description box below. And then I wanted to show you guys this right here. I am adding this color to my soft faux fur arm warmer fingerless mitts that you can find on my Etsy shop, IsmsbyJBM, along with this crochet doily number 92. And it has the pink base, red border. It's a fairly large size. I don't know how I'm making these larger doilies. I was envisioning a smaller one. But they just end up turning out fairly big. But I really love how this looks. It's so cute. But anyway, yeah. In the description box, I will leave a link to my Etsy shop. Again, IsmsbyJBM. And you will find these items there. Your support means so much to me, and I greatly appreciate it. So there you have it, you guys. This is IsmsbyJBM. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.